Greeting, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It depends when you play this video. And firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Mivaldo, Razaq, Wardana, Saleh, but you can just call me Aldo. In here video, I want to explaining about the climate change and how it can impact on the Asia and Pacific region. So firstly, I want to explaining about the climate change is first. For now on, climate change is now it's our together enemy, which really got a huge impact in various sectors, and it got the effects such as the rising of sea level. We have to take a look for rising sea levels are a rise in the level of the world's oceans due to the global warming. Over the past 100 years, the global average sea level has risen about 6 inches. Satellite data collected that sea level is rising more than twice as fast in the recent decades as it did earlier in the 20th century. For the case in Asia, China being the country with the most significant number of dangers from rising sea level has seen a variety of severe consequences. According to Reuters, authorities state that an oceanic calamity might count more than 90% of China's economic loss, making increasing sea levels a critical sector to be addressed by authorities. Around 50 million people in China are likely to be at risk due to the rising of sea level. Coastal cities, for example, cover 4.6% of China's national land area and contribute 34% of the country's GDP, possibly creating a massive loss due to the climate emergencies. According to the data, there are others countries that got impact for the climate change itself. And for now, we will take a look on the Pacific region, which is we have Fiji for the study case. In Fiji's national climate change policy, the global sea level change will more than double by the end of the centuries. Since 1993, Fiji has recorded a 6 millimeter increase in its sea level per year, larger than the global average. The rapid rise in sea level and the resulting saltwater intrusion that stems from the increased ferocity of coastal floods have made portions of the island nation uninhabitable. And maybe that's all for me. Thank you.